How to file your income tax return in Australia. Let's get started. First, you'll need to access MyTax through your MyGov account. For that, head over to this one website, my.gov.au. You'll be directed to the official website, then go ahead and click on the option of sign in. Now provide your credentials to log into your account, username or email and the password. After you provide your details, click on sign in. Make sure you have linked your MyGov account to the ATO. Then navigate to the Laws tab and select Income Tax. This will take you to MyTax platform where you can begin with your tax return. MyTax will ask you to confirm that your contact and financial institution details are up to date. Next, you'll need to select the checkboxes relevant to you, such as your income, investment, government payments, and deductions. Some of these checkboxes will already be selected if information has been provided to the ATO by your employer. On the next screen, you can review the pre-fill information. Most of this data is available by late July, so I recommend waiting until then to lodge your return. If you need to lodge earlier, you can add missing information yourself. If you have work-related expenses, the ATO makes it easier to find out what deductions you can claim based on your occupation. Just make sure you have your receipts. You can save your return at any stage and return to it later on any device. Before you lodge your return, MyTax will estimate your refund or the amount owing. Keep in mind this is just an estimate and the ATO can adjust it if they identify any missing or incomplete information after you lodge. When you are ready, select the Lodge button. You can view, amend, or print your tax return at any stage by signing back into your online services. And that's it. So this is how you can file your income tax return in Australia. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.